Alright, what's up everybody? We're doing a little bit of pond fishing today. Me and old Jar Jar Binks, Jared. And I'm throwing a little paddle tail with my G Loomis ultralight matched with a Shimano Saros. Yeah, I'm just kind of coming over here to see if we can catch some fish. See what's up. What do you think about that rod? It's freaking insane, isn't it? After this cast, let's go to the other pond and see if we can. You got one? Go, reel it in. Get it. Yeah, Jared. No, it's still on there.
No, it's not, dude.
Oh. Oh, shoot, here we go, got a fish. Heck yeah. Jared! Tiny little bass. That's the smallest bass. Yeah, got one though. On the Matrix Shad GoldenEye jig head and a rage tail. Pretty little guy. See if I can get him again. There we go. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. The weird hook set, but that's cool. So long, buddy. There he goes. I know, dude. It's irresistible. Do you want one to use? Do you think it'll work on there? Did you get a bomb? You gotta look at this thing. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. GoPro, start recording. Right in the upper lip too. Look how like light colored he is.
An average for this pond.
She's using a jig head and one of these rage tail swimming paddle tails. There you go. See you later. Oh, there we go. There he is. There he is. She's a beat. She's a white looking beat. There you go. See ya. All right, Jared, your turn. Jared's getting it. Bring it on over here, Jared. Little bass. Jared broke the seal today. Let's see what he looks like. What you got, boy? What'd you catch him on?
Is this the Rage paddle tail?
There you go.
Pink jig head.
Heck yeah, way to go, Jared. Done. What's up? Thanks for watching. We did a little bit of an ultralight video today. Me and Jared got onto a couple fish. We basically just pond fished in little ponds near our house. But thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and stay tuned for some other fishing videos and outdoors videos in general. Anything to say, Jared?
Peace out.
See you later.
Bye. So you fly fish. Awesome.
Dude, you totally just stepped in water completely.
This crap, dude.